Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change refresh rate on iPhone. So what I'm trying to do here is show you that we can change the refresh rate of the browsing here in Safari. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to head over to the applications, right? Open the settings, scroll down to the bottommost corner, and you should be able to see the apps. And then from here, we're just going to go ahead and tap the S right here. We're going to locate the Safari. There it goes. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottommost corner, advanced, click that one, and then scroll down, and you should be able to see here feature flags. Go ahead and click that one. And then from here, what you're going to do is that you're going to look for something. Um, we're going to call this one prefer page rendering updates near 60 FPS. So as of the moment, we got to turn it on, and that is because this is the default. If you have, say, for example, devices that has like 120 hertz, let's say, for example, Pro models, you should be able to come here in the Safari, use the test UFO, and for the refresh rate, it should be seeing, or you should be seeing like 100 plus. So in my case, it's just 60 hertz because I'm just on the regular iPhone models. But yeah, that is how you're going to update or to change the refresh rate here on your Safari.